Most small contractors think they need the same software that large companies use. But here's the truth no one tells you. The software that works for $1 million operation can actually slow down a smaller business. That's why so many contractors start looking for a ServiceTitan alternative. ServiceTitan is a powerful platform, but for many small businesses, it can feel overwhelming, expensive, or packed with features they rarely use. In this video, you'll learn the best ServiceTitan alternatives for small contractors, who each platform is best for, and how to choose the right software without overpaying for tools you don't need. Let's get straight into it. First, it's important to understand why many contractors consider alternatives in the first place. ServiceTitan was built with growth-focused service companies in mind. It offers scheduling, dispatching, reporting, call tracking, invoicing, customer management, and many advanced business tools. For larger teams, that can be incredibly valuable. But here's the problem. If you're running a small HVAC business, plumbing company, electrical service, cleaning business, or landscaping operation, you may not need that level of complexity. In many cases, simplicity creates better results. One of the most popular alternatives is Jobber. Jobber focuses on helping contractors manage estimates, scheduling, customer records, invoicing, and payments through a straightforward interface. Imagine John owns a landscaping company with 3 employees. He wants to spend less time learning software and more time serving customers. Jobber often appeals to businesses like his because it keeps daily operations simple and organized. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not every contractor's biggest challenge is operations. Sometimes the challenge is growth. That's where platforms focused on customer engagement become relevant. For example, some CRM solutions place a greater emphasis on follow-up communication, review generation, and customer retention. These tools can help contractors stay connected with past customers and create opportunities for repeat business. Imagine Alex runs a pressure washing company. A customer who booked 6 months ago may need another service today. Automated follow-up systems can help bring that customer back without requiring constant manual outreach. That's a small change that can have a meaningful impact on revenue. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose the right platform. But here's what most contractors get wrong. This is where most people fail. They choose software based on what successful companies are using instead of what their business actually needs. If your team is small, and your priority is simplicity, efficiency, and ease of use, an operational platform like Jobber may be a better fit. If customer retention and business growth are bigger concerns, a marketing-focused ERM may provide more value. The best ServiceTitan alternative is not the platform with the most features. It's the platform that removes the biggest obstacle from your business. For many small contractors, simpler software often leads to faster adoption, fewer headaches, and better day-to-day productivity. Now you know how to evaluate your options based on your actual needs instead of marketing claims. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more contractor business tips, and let me know in the comments which ServiceTitan alternative you're considering and why.